My name is Dr. Eric Arzubi. I'm chair of the psychiatry department at the Billings Clinic, and I'm a child and adolescent psychiatrist. I'd like to even stop and think about why we're parenting at all. So we have these children. They're these little human beings that hopefully we love and care for and nurture. And when we're trying to understand how to parent better, why? Why is that? Is that because we want our kids to follow our every order, our every command, or is it because we're trying to do something different? And I guess I'd like first of all have you think about that and understand why you'd like to parent, why you are a parent, and why you'd like to do better. One of the most important things to do as we think about being a parent is we're looking to raise a child who is happy, healthy, confident, cooperative, and responsible. I think it's important that we need to be humble when we think about parenting, know that there's a lot we don't know, and I think be curious, because I think there's something we can always do better. What is it you like about what you're doing? When you're parenting, what are the things that you like about what you're doing? What are the things you'd like to change? So here's some starting points to think about. So think about how you relate to your child every day or your children, and how many of your interactions, let's say you think about 100 interactions during the day, how many of those interactions are positive interactions, productive, loving interactions, and how many of them are not so positive, negative, argumentative, power struggles? What can you expect from your child? So your expectations around a 2 or 3-year-old are going to be very different than what you expect from a 10 or 12-year-old. So thinking about where your child is developmentally in terms of their age, remember what's special about your child. What is special about your child? As you're thinking about this, again, I understand in some cases we're thinking about, well, how can I get my child to behave better? But before we even go there, thinking about what's special about your child and what do you appreciate and what about parenting brings you joy? How in your family, in your interactions every day, because as a parent we're modeling things, we're modeling behaviors, how can you show that you love and respect one another within the family? And is that something that's happening every day? And the other thing is, how can you have more fun together? So these are important things to think about when you're thinking about yourself as a parent and when you're thinking about trying to become a better parent. Let's remember that this is a marathon, this is a long-term process, so things aren't going to change quickly. It'll take time, and it'll take some changing in your behavior before you can expect a change in the behavior of your children.